If your hairline is thinning and you're tired of trying oils, serums, and routines that don't work, stop. The problem is not that your edges can't grow. The problem is that your scalp is starting every morning in a stressed state. Today, I'm showing you the one thing you should do every morning to signal regrowth. Most women think thinning hairlines mean damage is permanent. That's not true. In most cases, follicles are still alive. They're just inactive. Your job isn't to force growth. It's to create the conditions where growth feels safe again. One of the biggest mistakes people make is applying oil to a stressed scalp. Oil does not grow hair on its own. Growth depends on blood flow, oxygen, and nerve signals. If circulation is poor, products sit on top of the skin and do nothing. Your hairline is the most sensitive area of your scalp. It reacts first to stress, tight styles, poor circulation, inflammation. When your nervous system is overstimulated, your body literally reduces blood flow to non-essential areas, including your hairline. That's why thinning often starts there. The morning reset. This is what you should do every single morning, before styling, before oils, before touching your edges. Step 1. Wake up your scalp. 1 minute. Place your fingertips, not nails, along your hairline and gently press and release. Think slow and rhythmic. This tells your nervous system the area is safe. Step 2. Micro-massage for circulation. 2 minutes. Using light circular motions, massage the temples and hairline. No pulling, no tension. You're restoring blood flow, not forcing hair out. Step 3. Apply a light, calming moisture. This is optional. If needed, use a very small amount of lightweight oil or serum. This is not for growth, it's for reducing inflammation. Growth happens later, once circulation improves. Step 4. Leave your edges alone. No brushing, no slicking, no tension. The first 30 to 60 minutes after waking are when your scalp is most receptive to repair. This routine works because hair regrowth is a biological response, not a cosmetic one. You're retraining your scalp to stay in growth mode instead of survival mode. If you do this consistently, you may notice less breakage in 2 to 3 weeks, baby hairs by 4 to 6 weeks, visible thickening by 8 to 12 weeks. Consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need extreme routines. You don't need to shock your scalp. You don't need a miracle product. You need to work with your body instead of fighting it. If you're going to try this morning reset, comment morning below so I know you're serious about regrowth. And if you want the full edge regrowth system, start with the playlist linked on this channel. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.